This is just a quick video just to demonstrate the orientation and the kind of views that you would get for the two parts that we want you to draw for General Literacy Assessment 2. So I've got these both open in SolidWorks, these parts, so that's our welded yoke, and that's the bracket that we ask you to draw for assignment 2, task 11. So our orthographic views will be one like that, which is our that's our front elevation, and if we spin it around, that's our end elevation, and then that's not quite right. It's tipped around on its side, but that's essentially the line work that we'll have for our plan view. Similarly, if I go to the welded yoke, our front view could be from there, and top view, it's just rotating it around, but it doesn't really matter. That's essentially what you can see from the top, and we will have a view that's looks like that because we need that view to dimension this radius. There's no other way of doing that without having that view or dimensioning it to hidden detail, which we don't like you to do. Yeah, so those are that's how we get those orthographic views from the isometric. So if I go File, make drawing from part, turn that off, so we've got a blank sheet. Okay. So you have to decide which view is the most useful, but let's just say we're going to pick this front view. We'll pick this view as our front view, and then our top view look like that. The bottom view look like that, and we'd probably want to view from the end because we need these widths. We could dimension it from one of the other views, but I think it's better that way. And hopefully you can see from here that looking down on that surface, we're looking here, looking up from underneath. I might actually just add another view there. Get that independently. So I'll just make that solid as well. So that's looking at the underneath of the thing, and that's what we get when we look directly from underneath. That's directly from in front, looking from that direction, etc. So those four views are what are needed to depict this thing completely. Yeah, so we'll just add another sheet, and our other part. I think that's the view that we want from the front. That's our top view, and that's our end view, and pop the isometric up there. It's not quite an isometric, but a pictorial view. can see that if we look down from above, that's what we see there. If we look from this direction, that's what we see. And if we look at the end from that direction, from here inwards, that's what we see. So hopefully that's food for thought, and those are the three views that we need to, oops, and now I'm stuck. And that, here we go. Okay, so those are the three views that you need to depict this thing. And for the ice or the orthographic drawing, we would probably suggest that you might want to have the hidden detail and all the center lines showing. So we would put a center line, oops, there, 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 and there. And then we get on and dimension it. But so hopefully seeing that all together makes it a bit clearer about how the orientation of the views is in an orthographic drawing when taken from an isometric or pictorial.